Melly Kids TV.
This is the story of Bhola, who lived in a small village. Bhola had a small poultry farm where he raised chickens. He made a living by selling their eggs in the market. Bhola was quite poor, which is why there was always a shortage of food in his home. One morning, Bhola took all the eggs from his chickens and went to the market to sell them. Bhola was selling 4 eggs for 10 rupees.
अंडे ले लो अंडे 10 रुपए के 4 अंडे ले लो.
Lala ji, standing at a distance, heard Bhola's voice and went over to buy some eggs from him. Lala ji asked Bhola the price of the eggs, and Bhola replied.
लाला जी 10 रुपए के 4 अंडे हैं.
Lala ji asked Bhola to lower the price, so Bhola said,
लाला जी आपको बिल्कुल सही लगा रहा हूँ, चलिए आप 10 के 5 ले लो.
Lala ji was very pleased with this offer. Lala ji bought all of Bhola's eggs, paid him in full, and walked away with a happy face. Bhola is very happy and thinks to himself that if he could get a customer like this every day, it would be wonderful. Bhola heads towards his home. A little further down the road, he sees a chicken shop. Seeing the chicken shop, he thinks that if he had a few more eggs today, Lala ji would have bought those as well. He decides to buy another chicken.
ऐसा करता हूँ एक मुर्गी और ले लेता हूँ ताकि और अंडे हो जाएंगे मेरे पास.
Bhola goes to the chicken shop and sees a golden colored chicken. Bhola finds the chicken very beautiful and decides to buy that one.
ऐसा करता हूँ इसको ही ले लेता हूँ. हाँ.
Bhola buys the golden chicken from the shopkeeper and heads towards his home. The next morning, as usual, Bhola wakes up and goes to the poultry farm to collect the eggs. One by one, he starts picking up the eggs and placing them in his basket. When suddenly, his eyes fall on a golden egg. Bhola sees a golden egg in front of him and got surprised. He then picks up the egg, noticing that it feels quite heavy, almost as if it were made of stone. Bhola cleans the egg a bit and it begins to shine. Seeing its brightness, Bhola becomes happy because the egg is made of gold.
ये अंडा तो सोने का है. अरे वाह, कहीं अंडा उस सुनहरी मुर्गी ने तो नहीं दिया.
Bhola goes over to the chicken and starts showing it love and care. Then he decides to show the egg and the chicken to his wife.
अरे सुनती हो?
Bhola shows the golden egg and the chicken to his wife, and she too is delighted upon seeing the egg. She begins thinking about becoming rich now. Bhola, while lovingly stroking the chicken, says, "You have changed my destiny."
ये अंडा इसी ने ही दिया है.
अरे वाह, अब तो हम अमीर हो जाएंगे.
हाँ, तुमने तो मेरी किस्मत ही बदल दी.
The golden chicken lays a golden egg every day, making Bhola very wealthy. Bhola is talking to his wife, saying that if this chicken weren't with us, we wouldn't have anything. Just then, Bhola's wife interrupts him and says, "There is still a lot that we don't have." Bhola's wife is very greedy. Bhola's wife says to Bhola, "Have you ever thought about it? This chicken lays 1 egg every day. Why don't we take out all the eggs from its stomach at once?"
हाँ, तुम सही बोल रही हो. हम आज इसके पेट से सारे अंडे निकाल लेते हैं.
Bhola killed the chicken, but they found nothing in its stomach. When Bhola cut the chicken's stomach, he was shocked to see that there was nothing inside. Its stomach was just like any other chicken's.
इसका पेट तो बाकी मुर्गी के जैसे ही है. हमें जो एक रोज का एक अंडा मिलता था, अब तो वो भी नहीं मिलेगा.
Bhola and his wife later regretted their mistake. That same night, thieves came to Bhola's house and stole all the valuable items. When Bhola and his wife woke up in the morning and saw all their belongings scattered around, they were shocked and worried about what had happened to them. Bhola's wife said to Bhola,
हमने उस मुर्गी को मारकर सही नहीं किया, इसलिए भगवान ने हमें फिर से वही लाकर खड़ा कर दिया जहाँ हम पहले थे.
"Children, we should never be greedy. We should be content with what we have. If Bhola and his wife hadn't been greedy, the chicken would have continued to lay a golden egg every day. But because of their greed, they killed the chicken.
अगर भोला और उसकी बीवी लालच ना करते तो उनको वो मुर्गी रोजाना एक सोने का अंडा देती रहती, मगर उनके लालच की वजह से उन्होंने उस मुर्गी को मार दिया।
To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
Hey kids, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video.